Let's explore internal linking, which is about building an effective website structure through strategic internal links. Internal links are hyperlinks that connect different pages within the same website. They create pathways for users and search engines to navigate through your content, establishing a hierarchical structure and distributing page authority. The example here shows the HTML code of a typical internal link. Notice the tag with an ref attribute, which specifies the link's destination. Internal linking has several benefits. Firstly, it improves your site structure by creating a clear hierarchy, helping search engines understand your site's architecture. Secondly, it allows for better page rank distribution, efficiently spreading page authority throughout your website. Lastly, it leads to lower bounce rates by encouraging users to explore more content, thus increasing engagement metrics. Here are some best practices for internal linking. Firstly, always use descriptive anchor text. Choose meaningful keywords that accurately describe the destination page's content. Avoid generic phrases like, "click here," or "read more." Secondly, ensure strategic placement of the links. Place links naturally within the content, preferably in the first few paragraphs. Make sure that they provide value and context to the reader. Next, maintain relevance. Link to topically related pages that add value to the current content. Create meaningful connections between related articles and topics. Lastly, ensure a balanced distribution of internal links. Aim for a reasonable number of links per page, approximately 3 to 5 per 1,000 words. Avoid overlinking, which can dilute the search engine optimization value and confuse readers. There are a few common ways to structure internal links. The first is a hierarchical or pyramid structure, where main categories link to subcategories and individual pages, creating a clear content hierarchy from general to specific topics. Second is the silo structure, where content is grouped into distinct topic categories, with strong internal linking within each silo and strategic cross-linking between silos. Finally, there's the hub and spoke model. Here, central hub pages link to related content pieces or spokes, which then link back to the hub, creating topical clusters. Let's look at the technical implementation of internal links. Here is the standard way to implement an internal link using HTML code, with the tag and the ref attribute to define the link. Always use descriptive anchor text that includes relevant keywords. Also, include meaningful title attributes for better accessibility. For more advanced implementation, you can use breadcrumb navigation. This uses semantic HTML elements for better search engine optimization and accessibility, and also implement proper ARIA attributes for navigation elements. Here are some key internal linking strategies. The first strategy is content pillar strategy. Create comprehensive hub pages that link to related subtopics and detailed articles. For this, always create in-depth cornerstone content and link to relevant supporting articles. Another is category-based linking. Organize content into clear categories and create strong topical relationships. To achieve this, maintain a clear category hierarchy and cross-link related categories. Then there is contextual linking. Add relevant links within the content where they provide additional value to readers. For this, link naturally within content and focus on user value. Lastly, there are related content links. Implement systematic linking between related articles and resources using automated related posts or by creating content clusters. To measure the success of internal linking, consider these key metrics. First, track the click-through rate, which is the average click-through rate for internal links across all pages. Next is page depth. This refers to the average number of clicks to reach any page. Then there is crawl depth, which gives the percentage of pages crawled within 3 clicks. Finally, there is user engagement, which is the average pages per session on your website. Here are some common internal linking mistakes to avoid. Firstly, do not use generic anchor text. Using nondescriptive phrases like "click here" or read more wastes search engine optimization potential and provides poor user experience. Instead, always use relevant keywords and descriptive phrases that indicate destination content. Secondly, avoid broken links. Having dead links or incorrect URLs hurts the user experience and wastes crawl budget. So regularly audit internal links and fix or remove broken ones. Next, do not over-optimize. Excessive internal linking and keyword-stuffed anchor text can appear spammy to search engines. So maintain natural link placement and varied anchor text. Lastly, avoid poor link distribution. Concentrating links on few pages while leaving others orphaned creates imbalanced site structure. Instead, ensure even distribution of internal links across important pages. Here's an implementation checklist to help you get started. For the technical setup, you must conduct a site-wide link audit using crawling tools to identify broken or orphaned pages, implement breadcrumb navigation using schema markup for enhanced search engine result page display, and set up link tracking analytics to monitor internal link performance and user behavior. For content strategy, create content clusters by grouping related content and establish topic authority. Optimize anchor text by using relevant, descriptive keywords naturally, and perform regular content audits to update and improve internal linking quarterly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.